Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert new column in Microsoft Excel. So get let's started. At first open your Excel document file. Firstly then you show the salary chart. This is the new columns in the insert in Microsoft Excel. Firstly then you can see and uh, I needs from the middle point in the columns. Now click from the then keyboard press from the Ctrl Shift plus. That's okay. Then show the insert the new column. Then again needs columns in the Ctrl Shift plus. That's okay. Then show the format in the that's okay. Then we show the insert new column in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.